Hi everybody, I am here today with a very quick flip through video of a tiny little album that I created, and there is a full tutorial, so it will be available as a playlist. Now this was using the Mintay Papers See You in Paris paper collection. I won this on one of their Facebook challenges in March. It was part of my package that they sent me, and I used just this 6x8 add-on pack and then this paper elements pack that had some envelopes and some die cuts. Now this is all the paper that I have left, and then these sheets here, and so I've used almost the entire paper pack, but I didn't have any of the other stuff from the collection, so I did use almost everything in the two things that I had to create this album. So this album measures 5 1/4 by 7 inches. It uses my wrap cover. It is available for sale. It has a ribbon closure here, lots of ribbons throughout, and I've used some metallic cardstock as well just to help the papers to stand out a little bit on the front cover, and a couple of the inside elements as well. There is plenty of room for you to add your photos and for this to still have room to expand. It's a small album. It only has 2 pages inside, but the pages are filled with little tuck spots and goodies. So in here on the front cover, we have a side belly band, and behind that belly band, I first have this cute little tag that you can journal on or place a photo. This is one of the envelopes that came in that little paper pack, and I've just tucked one of the ticket pieces in here, and then I've created a little photo booklet or a photo mat, or you could do this and journaling on there. And this does have a little cut apart card on the back I added to the envelope. Now the page styles are very similar. The papers might be a little bit different, but the styles are the same. I've got an ephemera piece here. I've got another one of those little envelopes from the collection, and I've just made 2 little tags here that tuck down into this pocket. This pocket is held closed by this piece here. And then back behind this is a photo mat with a little bow at the top. This page will open up. So this is the inside of the page. This is open here and here for those photos to slide behind. Then this page is the back side of the page, and this has a tuck spot for another tag here with the pretty little bow at the top. Then this opens up, room for a full 4x6 photo here. I've got one of the tickets here from the collection, and then in this pocket, it's filled with goodies. So a photo mat for 4x6 photos. You can do some journaling or add some photos or tickets or whatever you want on this piece. And then in this little envelope here, I have another piece of the paper as a photo mat or a journaling card. Now in these pages, these are actually pocket pages. So I have a photo mat in here. Let me stand it up so that I can see it to get it out. There we go. So here is the journaling card or the photo mat for the first pocket page. It has some ephemera pieces on both sides, just layered up to add some decoration. Now for page 2, we've got that ephemera piece here again that keeps this little envelope closed. And inside the envelope, I have a tag from that assortment, and then I've created a tag with a fussy cut piece here. You could put tiny pictures on there or journal on there, or you can just use it because it's cute and just leave those little tags as is. Now back here is the second photo mat. It looks like the first one. Has that bow at the top just to keep that cohesive theme of those bows throughout my pages. Then on the inside here, we've got a very similar layout. We've got ticket stub here and a piece here, so those photos can tuck behind it. And then here on the back side of the page, we've got our ephemera piece that is a pocket with our tag here with our bow. And then this flips up, room for a full 4x6 photo. We've got the little ticket here. And then in the pocket, we've got that 4x6 photo mat, that decorative paper that can be used as a photo mat or a journaling card or for whatever you would choose. And then we've got an envelope here. I've created a little card in this one, and then one of the ephemera pieces tucked in here. Now here we have the second photo mat from the top loading page, just has those ephemera pieces lifted up so the photos will slide behind it. Room for 2 full 4x6 photos. Then on the back cover here, we've got that diagonal belly band again, and we've got the tag here with the bow on the top, and then we've got another one of those little envelopes that has the card or the tag in it, and then I made a little journaling card or a photo mat out of the paper. So that is all for my little See You in Paris mini album. It does tie across the album here like this and keeps closed, and I thought that that would be cute. So if it was in a bookshelf, you will see the bow here on the spine. I am going to be listing this album for sale, so if you want a Paris pre-made album, now is your chance to grab this. And it is the only one, so there is not going to be another one. It will be listed in the description box below. Also, don't forget that there is a full tutorial that I have listed on my YouTube channel, so I will link the playlist below if you want to create your own album. And I will have this cover listed for sale, so it comes with 5 pieces. You can get it in cream, black, or white. That will also be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.